stay put lang yung military, wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday nga nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung Chief of Staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung AFP Chief of Staff?
Bilyon-bilyon yung nawawala.
Matagal na siyang natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sip-o ni mag-usap kami, yung sip-o ni Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagatulo yung sip-o niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, nag-delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong naman. Mr. Military, give us a right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
To be short of challenging Browner na. To be short of challenging Browner na hapon.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have a challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president, start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then, people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo ulit siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been already. But
Kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na, we will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa, tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos, ganun. I will follow.
as the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not
No nothing.
to enjoy just
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen. Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoin them to opt out,
what?
from supporting what you said was Andrew is the president? Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That's civilian ako. I have no authority to order
No,
them
not
to
order, but just enjoin them or
and I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. Tama isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nagsuicide. Minumura. If you can tap the fingers and saying, iho, huwag ka na masyadong matulog. Kunti na lang panahon. Ano kung ako yun, isin mo na, huwag ka muna tulog. Kape ka lang. Murahin mo. Kaya po ka napahiya. sundalo na pagkamatay.
Meron din na Colonel Mayor na
Nabaril sa argument yun. It was an argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel.
Mayor, yung PSP
Was with-
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSP na nag-suicide?
Colonel, hindi mo nagsuicide yun.
Yung PSG
Yung PC nagsuicide talaga. Minura niya ni Mrs. Marcos.
kailan Mayor?
Bago lang. Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may ano dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Depende yan kay Browner. How he looks at kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from these happenings po, as a former president,
ma'am, sinasabi ko na ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
but how if,
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di palakpakin. Let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll slap our hands and say that the military is takot. Kaya sinabi mo eh.
Hindi po ba sila nabusalan?
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
what is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like
The silent martial law.
martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, tambalos-los, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na magulo dyan talaga dyan. And to make Martin from speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
So what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election? Possibility?
It can be possible. Wala tayong yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Mayor, drugs na issue na kuan ni PNP Chief Marvin na nagpagawa siya statement before ng mga drug users daw kaya dili addict. Unsa po'y comment nato ani Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilang oras sa pagpanarbaho. From the PNP chief mismo.
Ang nag-ano,
Ang mga nagagamit daw og drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang daw i-extend ang ilang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
maganda yan.
Any moment.
Maganda yan. So, what is an addict? And what is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill o sa furnace.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Baramones, would give up on his dream of becoming president in 2028?
Wala na, I don't think so.
Wala na pag-asa.
Wala nang ano, ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero, hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, mapunta man ako ng Maynila, I'll be frank with them, ilagtan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin, pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso ngayon?
59.
So may plano kayo, Mayor, na puntahan ang
25 tons.
magpunta ng Campo Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako mapunta ng...
Yung sabi mo, kausapin mo.
sa ibang lugar. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung freewheeling discussion, para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng kudita o rebellion. Ayaw ko yan eh. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na ako share my same. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
Pero wala pang schedule niyo kayo.
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kailan walis.
Would you have an appointment with General Gordon about this and talk man-to-man about this issue sa kanya?
The general,
Gordon.
it's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So, ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the lieutenant colonels, lieutenant colonels, and major and down.
The ground commanders, you mean?
Grabe bang
They do a
nagpapahiwatig
loyalty
ngayon?
check, Mayor.
Takot lang.
Ha?
Sa mga mababang posisyon, marami bang nagpapahiwatig ngayon? Pero takot lang sila because sa chain of command.
Gusto sa
You know, to the military, of course, there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of your country, why should you not?
Mayor,
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
Among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Alam mo yung protector of the Constitution, that's a very secret. what does it mean to them and what does it mean to tayong mga tao.
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor, like nung panahon ni ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Di ba mahirap to mobilize or...
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there na wala naman akong kita? Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80. Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
Ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyot.
Sir, given your fracture, but you are part of the whole, what is the
Ang
equation?
pagkaroon,
Iyot.
Gusto ba na Mayor, given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole, what is the equation?
No more. Leave me out. Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement, then bahala kayo.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials o officers, yung sinasabi mo? What do you expect from them after the meeting, after meeting them?
Military?
Yes, po.
Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out with the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na, the protector, are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual. Kayo walang hindi sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon?